Hello students, in the previous video we learned about the polynomials, meaning of the polynomial, degree of the polynomial, how to divide monomial by monomial, how to divide polynomial by monomial, and also we learned how to divide polynomial by binomial. So here I am taking one more example. You have to watch this properly, how to divide this. Now here in from practice set 10.2 example number 6, a raised to 4 minus a cube plus a square minus a plus 1, that is the dividend, and here a cube minus 2, this is the divisor, means we have to divide this dividend by divisor. So always you keep in your mind, first you have to write all terms in dividend, all terms in the descending order of indices. Already all terms are given here in the descending order, so it is not necessary to arrange this, already it is arranged. So here a raised to 4 minus a cube plus a square minus a plus 1 divided by a cube minus 2. So every time first from the dividend you have to take the first term of the dividend and divide by the first term of the divisor. So here it will come a raised to 4 divided by a cube, a raised to 4 divided by a cube, and here when we divide this a raised to 4 by a cube, then you will get here, as we know that in when the base is same and in the when division is there, we have to subtract their indices, that is a raised to 4 minus 3, which is equal to a raised to 1, which is equal to a. So here it will come a only. So a into a cube, that is a raised to 4, and a into minus 2, that is minus 2a. So when we are writing this product, we have to write all like terms in the same column. So 2a, it will come exactly below a only, which are the like terms. Here in division we are subtracting, so minus, here minus, nothing is here, means here just we have to write their zeros below these terms, and we have to change the signs because of this minus sign, and here it will come minus minus, and here it is plus only. So a raised to 4 minus a raised to 4, these are the opposite terms, it will cancel, here you will get 0, minus a cube, it will come as it is, plus a square also it will come as it is, minus a plus 2a. These both are, here their signs are different, here it is negative, here it is positive, and when signs are different, then we have to find difference. So difference is a and 2a, a means it is 1a, and here it is 2a, difference is 1a, and we have to write bigger number sign, that is plus, so here it will come plus a and plus 1. Now this here we have to divide again the first term of dividend. The first term of dividend, that is minus a cube divided by a cube only. And here division of negative and positive number is always negative only. A cube, when we divide 5 divided by 5, you will get the answer 1 only. Similarly here a cube divided by a cube, here it is 1. So minus 1. So minus 1 into a cube, that is minus a cube, and minus 1 into minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 into 1, 2, and it will come here exactly below 1 only. Minus, in division we have to subtract, that's why minus, here it is plus, and here it is minus. These signs write just 0. So these two terms again opposite terms, that's why answer is 0, it will cancel. Then plus a square, then here it is plus a, and here plus 1, and minus 2, plus 1, minus 2, again this number is positive, this is negative, that's why we have to find the difference, which is 1, and bigger number sign, and bigger number in 1 and 2 is 2, that's why here minus 1. So here a square, the remainder first term of this dividend is a square. So when we divide a square by a cube, then you will get the index as negative number, and if the index is negative number, then that is not the polynomial. So till here only we have to divide, and this is the remainder. This is the question. Here it is the dividend, and this is the divisor. So we know that dividend is equal to divisor into question plus remainder. So here it will come, dividend means what is here? A raised to 4 minus a cube plus a square minus a plus 1. It is equal to, divisor is a cube minus 2, and question is a minus 1 plus remainder is a square plus a minus 1. So you have to write the answer in this way. I hope you have understood this method, how to divide polynomial by binomial. Thank you, students.